Salam alaikum and hello. I want to give you an update about UK-Pakistan travel. As you know, the UK government has been keeping its border measures under close review because of COVID-19. Today, it is announced that Pakistan has been added to the UK's red list of travel banned countries. Red listing means that only UK and Irish nationals and those with residency rights in the UK will be allowed to travel to the UK if they've been in Pakistan in the 10 days before they arrive. They will have to pay to stay in mandatory hotel quarantine for 10 days after they arrive. These measures will come into effect in a week's time at 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday, April the 9th. Direct flights will continue to operate between the two countries, but schedules could change, so please check with your airline before you travel. I know how unwelcome this news will be for all of you and for so many of the British Pakistani community that is the bedrock of our strong relationship. You can find more information and updates on these changes on our travel advice pages, including details of what you need to do now if this affects you and how to book quarantine hotels, which you must do before you travel. Please stay safe, stay well, and keep following the COVID SOPs in these difficult times.